Hi guys, welcome back. Here I am trying to finish up our beautiful tree. Now, if you'd like to see how we did the red garland, check out my video right here. So let's continue decorating this little Victorian tree. And the next thing we're going to do is something that is absolutely easy and inexpensive, and it makes the house smell absolutely delicious. And that's dried fruit decorations. That's what Victorians used to use, dried fruit decorations. Being that we're here in South Florida, of course, I'm considering that Mrs. Richards would probably go out and get these oranges and cut them up in slices and put them on her tree. But you just don't cut a slice of orange and put it on your tree. But basically, all you have to do is you cut your orange. Now you don't want it too thin. Let's finish that little slice there. And then you can either air dry it. The air drying will probably take around a day or two. And in this hot, humid South Florida weather, I don't think that was possible. So more than likely, Mrs. Richmond would put them on a baking sheet or parchment paper just like this and put them in the oven at a very low temperature, around 200, 250 degrees, and leave them there for around 2 or 3 hours. And this is what you get. Look how beautiful, and it smells, it smells so good. And everybody's gonna come to your kitchen asking you, what did you make, what did you make? Now you can also do it with lemons and limes and apples. Here's an apple slice right here, and what I use to decorate it to make it all natural, as it would be back in the day, is some anise star. And then another decoration that's easy to use, let me pick out an anise star. Anise, as we Cubans like to call it, anise star. And it also has a very delicious aromatic smell. This with oranges, absolutely delicious. The only other thing you need to add is clove, and then you'll be going crazy with the smells in your house. You don't need to go to Bath and Body Works after this. And then the other thing I did was just take some cinnamon sticks, very easy, roll them up into like little logs, and they look like little wooden logs, and put ribbon around them. And you see how cute? It just adds a little homey touch. And that's all you need to do. So if you want to call this vintage, if you want to call it Victorian, if you want to call it farmhouse, here's some 3 little easy ways to make Victorian homemade, natural farmhouse Christmas decorations for your tree this year. And the kids will love it.